Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and I'm going to be showing you guys an outfit video. So after I do my makeup look, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm actually wearing with this look. And it's going to be a whole fall vibe, guys, because fall is here in full effect. I used a new palette called the 27 palette by Melt Cosmetics. Well, it's actually not new, it's new for me, but it is the perfect fall palette. And if you guys want to get a feel of what this palette is like and how it wears, then keep watching. This baby right here is perfect for fall. I'll show you her beauty right now. Have a look. Oh my goodness. I am super excited to get her done with this one. Let us go. So let's start off with Naked Sleep, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade right now. So I've already primed my lids, and I just used a Fenty concealer to do that. The shade that I used was 310. So, woo. I could already tell that these are super pigmented. There are so many nice warm tones in here, and a couple cool tones. We got it all going on in this palette. But if you guys already know me, then you know that I love warm tones. So this is right, and just browns, just any neutrals. Pretty much any neutrals, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I'm that type of person. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Moxie right here. And this is a nice warm shade. I switched brushes to a MAC 217, and this brush is just a little bit more precise. I'm popping this color right below that transition shade and a little bit into it. So this is creating a more noticeable crease shape. It's just a more pronounced kind of crease shade. Every time we add an additional color, we're adding a lot more depth into the eye. So I prefer to add less and build up rather than putting too much product and then having to like blend for 3 hours. Either way, if you have time to blend, then blend, but I like just building it up slowly, like so. This is the first Melt eyeshadow palette that I've ever used, and I can already tell that I really love it. It's super pigmented. You can be messy here, like if you accidentally get some on your lid, that's okay. You're gonna be blending this all together anyway, and you're gonna pop a color on the lid anyway. So don't be super precise with it, you can chill. And also guys, I don't know if I mentioned this, I'm baking my face here and here, so don't be startled, don't be alarmed. You can go ahead and drag this color outwards to create a little bit of a cat eye effect. Go ahead and dip into the shade Crime Fighter. I could feel that it's creamy. Oh yeah. I'm getting major fall vibes from this. So pretty. Super pigmented too. I always like applying a shadow like this with my finger. It'll definitely become more pigmented that way. So I'm making sure to just disperse this all over the lid. I'm gonna deepen it up. So I'm going into the shade Downtown. So this is a deeper brown. So we're adding a little bit of drama. Popping that right on the outer edge of the eye. And I'm using these colors to create a more winged shape kind of eye. And of course we're gonna be winging it, so it's gonna go really well together. So once you've blended all of that out, you are ready to move on to liner. Wing it! Okay, so obviously you guys, I haven't filmed a new video with my liner, so I'm super excited to show you guys my style. So I'm going in with Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in the shade Blackest Black. I like to use a Bobbi Brown eye definer brush. It has a nice little angle here. And my style of doing a wing is very particular. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial of the wing, then you can go ahead and check out another video that I've posted. It's an older video, but I still use the same technique. So I hold my lashes down to get them out of the way, and then I just start mapping out my wing. And it's a pretty funny process because my lashes really get in the way. So I'm just holding them down and just dragging that out. I go ahead and connect the edge of the eye to the tip of the wing. And you can just drag that out as much as you want. And then I'm gonna go ahead and color in that area that I just outlined. So for me, this is super simple, and I love using gel liner because it's super forgiving. If you make a mistake, you're good to go. And it's very black. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the tip of my wing just by grabbing a tiny amount of concealer on a flat concealer brush. This one in specific is a MAC 195. And then I just drag that downwards. You could even go on the inner part as well and clean up inside if you need to. There we go, wing it! Literally, when you get a nice sharp wing, it's a celebration each and every time. I'm holding my lashes down. I'm just dragging this outwards in the same way that I did the other. And then I'm gonna go ahead and connect the tip and color it in. It's super simple once you get the hang of it. And I know a lot of people are intimidated by the wing, but it actually gets easier and easier as you practice more and more. Just like anything else, to be honest. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off the bottom of the eye, and I'm gonna go right back into that shade Naked Sleep. And I'm just adding a little bit going on. I'm baking under here, by the way. I'm gonna go into the Becca Champagne Pop highlight, and this is just a baby right now. It's a, okay guys, there's legit powder all over me. Okay, whatever. It's broken, guys. Why though? These always break on me. I'm gonna take that as my inner corner highlight because I want a nice pop, but I want it to be in this same color family, which is, this is more of like a rose gold vibe, and it works really well. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl who's got everything? Okay, I really don't know why I had a Little Mermaid moment, but I did. And I'm proud of it, okay? I popped on Huda Beauty Game Night. It's a part of her new lipstick collection, and it's super fall vibes. I am going into MAC Eternal Sun Blush. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't want to give you mine, no. I don't want to meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Sitting on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Deuces! I hope you guys enjoyed that super simple, beautiful fall look. And now it's time to see what outfit I pair this look with. Whoop, whoop. Okay guys, I am going to show you my outfit. The question is, how far do I need to stand in order for you to see it? Pretty far away it looks like. I'm gonna throw on these Stuart Weitzman boots. They're some Salk boots. They're easy to walk in because they have a thick heel, which I need. Okay, now that we got some height going, is my head cut off though? Let's throw on a sweater since it's getting kind of cold, you know? This one's super drapey, which is giving a real fall vibe. You can just drape it over you. You can also wear it like this if you want to be out here, you know? You could just be doing the absolute most. Taking how long it is. It's like a robe. And you know that's right along my alley because I love robes. I live in robes, so basically I'd be happy. Let's throw in a black and black YSL crossbody. That's it, guys. I don't even know if I'm gonna be visible in this video because I've never done a full body vibe. And that concludes my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. All of those things that are still weird for me to say. And if you guys have any suggestions on other videos that you want to see, reminder, I will be posting all the time now. So I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, today I just filmed... And let's get right into... Can I not speak English? Hello? Let me guys know... Oh my goodness. I'm done, bud. I'm completely done, bud.